balancing on the twin flame journey, balancing the shared energetic field is key to the journey. If you go into a push frequency, a push energy, and start to put it on old relationship templating, it will put you into separation time and time and time again. In Awaken to Consciousness, we are starting 30-day detox, surrender, and balance. Balance is the key. You, as the divine feminine, it is vital that you are able to hold the energy and frequency as you are shifting in consciousness. Now, divine masculine will activate you. They activate you with the eyes, because the eyes are the windows to the soul. When you look into divine masculine's eyes, it is your same soul frequency, your God essence coming back at you. Likewise, when divine masculine looks in your eyes, it is the God essence. The mirror is held up, and it is held up so crystal clear. Also, the throat chakra, it activates. But as you shift along the journey, instead of going into that chaotic, obsessive, distressful, feeling like there is no hope energy, you will learn how to balance the energy. So when they come back in, and remember, when divine masculine starts to come back in, when your energy is starting to balance, it will feel safe for them to come back. They don't do it from a mind and ego, they do it from a soul essence. It's the soul that magnetizes them back in. Now, at this point, instead of you going into and putting it on a relationship template, you, as the divine feminine, have to hold the energy and frequency. If you don't hold it, then you will go into that other chasing frequency again. And this is why inner union is the key to the journey. Creating that inner union, surrendering, detoxing, and learning how to hold the shared energetic field. You, as the divine feminine, are learning how to self master each one of your chakras, each one of your energy life force portals. And as you move along the journey, divine masculine will be able to stay in the same frequency as you create that equilibrium and one soul essence frequency. If you need more help and support, we are live. Well, we're live every single day, but we start a whole new one on the 1st of October in Awaken to Consciousness. It is full blown detox, surrender, and balance. You will have crystal clear energy of how to hold the shared energetic field when divine masculine comes back in. If you need more help and support, my website's there. We start the 1st of October. It's only a couple of days ago. 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. I look forward to welcoming you. I send you much love. Have a blessed day.